Hey guys, welcome back to the Detailing Space. We're on month 10 now of the Crystal Serum Ultra Diaries. If you remember last year, back in November, we took the Suzuki Swace down to KDS and had Kelly and his guys give it a full correction and apply some Crystal Serum Ultra to the paintwork. And on top of that, Evo V4 as well. So this whole series is just about testing all of the Gtechniq range and making sure they don't affect the life of the coatings. If I remember rightly, I think it was 9 years. I totally forgot off the top of my head now what the claims are on Crystal Serum Ultra. I'm sure if you go back to the very first video, you will find that information out. Today we're going to be dealing with some water spotting. So I know it's got some water spots on the car the last couple of times we've washed it. So let's get out there and crack on with that. Okay, so that's the car all washed, clean and dried. Some of you may have noticed as well in the last few videos, I've been trying a new technique, and that is washing the car whilst it's still covered in snow foam, after a couple of comments from our American friends. So anyway, that's what that's all about. So as I say, I was going to be using the water spot remover. However, I don't know if it's because I left the snow foam on and it's a citrus-based snow foam, or just whether I dealt with it last week using, or last month should I say, with the ceramic G-wash. I'm not quite sure, but the water spotting wasn't as bad as it has been, and granted it's a lot cooler as well. So we use a quick detailer, and this does even say on here it will buff away any watermarks, fingerprints, light dusting or smears left behind. I did remove some smears from Jeff's doggy nose art on the windows. However, I couldn't get the focusing quite right on the glass to be able to show you that. However, it did make light work of the watermarks. There was a few runs from a wash couple of weeks ago, and obviously a little bit of water spotting here and there, but as I said, there's not a lot of it. So with the quick detailer, all you need to do with that for small localized areas, just a couple of squirts onto a clean mag fiber, and then have a second mag fiber to hand to buff that away. If you're doing a full panel, use it like most of the quick detailers I did. I didn't find too many issues with that, and you can just apply that, you know, a couple of sprays to a bonnet or a door, for example, buff that in, work that in, however you want to call it, and then just buff that off afterwards with a fresh, clean microfiber. So it does even say as well on the bottle that it's also safe for matte paint and vinyl, which is absolutely amazing. Instructions, as always, just shake well before use out of direct sun. It's fully compatible as well with all Gtechniq coatings, so it shouldn't have any effect on the durability or the life expectancy of any coatings you may have on there. It can also be used layered to boost gloss, slickness and durability, and it did actually make the bonnet feel a hell of a lot slicker after I apply that. I think I need to do a full decon on this car. So next month when you come back, we're going to be doing I think probably a winter prep, so it'll be month 11, we'll do a winter prep, and yeah, we'll crack on with that. Also as well, I did show some footage of swirl free paintwork, 10 months, 0 swirls. So the coating is doing exactly what it should be doing. That is making future maintenance washes a lot easier, repelling dirt and all of that good stuff. Anyway, I'm waffling on now. It's just a quick short video this week. So once again, thanks very much to Gtechniq for supplying these products. You can buy them direct from Gtechniq, or many good resellers as well will also stock Gtechniq products. Also, thanks to you guys for watching this. If you've enjoyed this, don't forget to smash that like button. Also click the subscribe icon just up here now, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, and a couple of videos below as well to keep on watching. So yeah, until then, see you next time.